Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Thandi, and on this channel all things lifestyle, hair, beauty and inspiration. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning and thank you for supporting my content. And if you are new here today, subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Turn on your notification bar and make sure you don't miss out any videos that I upload. So on today's video I have a special guest, and as you've seen on the title of the video, we're going to be talking about how to know when a guy is cheating on you before you even start dating him. Ladies, don't you think these are the kind of tips that we need or needed in our time before we started dating some of these guys? Well guys, I have a professional, somebody who will give us the tea, who will give us the lowdown, is going to give us the information that we need in 5 easy steps. Guys, welcome Dumisani. Welcome to my channel.
How you doing? My name is Dumisani. I am the simple boy, the boy with the captions, the boy who's easy and the boy who's always happy, aka Saint Lord, Pink Lord, and your mother's favorite saint. Just as my sister was saying, we're bringing the
tea
to the set. So now quickly, before we start, this is a disclaimer. If your relationship does not work, do not look at me and be like, yeah, this is not working out, you guys gave false tips. These are 100% accurate, but not accurate to every relationship. Understand that, right?
Right.
So true. We are just stating things that are majority that happen and very subtle, which many people don't usually see. Okay.
True.
So we're just gonna have a discussion, and you can also input in the comment section below. Don't be greedy. You know, at this time we're even gonna allow haters. I'll even comment, and just to show that I appreciate everybody and everything you say is good, amazing, and make sure you subscribe to my sister's channel.
You heard, subscribe.
Alrighty. So these are simple tips by a simple guy.
Yep.
But you must know that I'm also the most dangerous guy on your girlfriend's contact list, so you must be beware. So the first step does not show enough emotion. Like,
wow, yeah, I think that's an obvious one. Hey,
yeah,
if a guy can't show emotions, that's an obvious one. Like, that's an obvious one. Yeah. He's either not into you, or he doesn't know if he really likes you, or he's going to cheat on you. So, young lady, come on, that's an obvious one.
It's very simple. Look, it's like this. If a guy cannot show you his emotion, his vulnerable side, then he's not going to show you any sympathy, love, or care.
Yeah.
Here, many guys, this is a secret we have. We are more emotional than women. That's a fact.
What? Okay.
Dudes are way emotional than women.
What?
And the thing is, because of us, we are also very good at hiding our emotions. Because we don't want to give the whole world our emotions. Because imagine now you're dating a guy and he's always emotional. You get tired of him.
Yeah.
And that's the perception many guys have. But in fact, there are so many things which guys actually want to say. Guys even just receiving compliments. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that one is true.
So a guy can even get mad. Like, he buys a new shirt and then you just keep quiet. Like, he is going to get emotional. But the thing about guys is we find excuses to complain about, even though we're just angry at a simple t-shirt.
Yeah.
So if he does not show you emotion, it means he's not going to show you anything else.
Yeah, he's going to look for that emotion from somebody else. If
Exactly.
somebody else compliments him on that new top, that he's going to show that emotion to somebody else. So he's bound to cheat on you, girl.
Exactly.
Wow.
So if you're with a guy, you're talking to him and he's very, very, I call them A4 plain white papers.
A4
the Typex.
Okay,
they just clear. There's nothing that they're actually showing. Then that means that this nigga is gonna cheat on you because it's a blank page.
Plain white paper.
Exactly. He's a Typex.
Wow.
So that means anyone can print anything on him, and
wow, guys.
even you can be the only thing that's not printing.
Phew.
Yes.
Jeez. Wow, guys. I hope you're learning, guys, because I'm definitely learning. I didn't even know that guys hide their emotions like that. I mean, wow, that is crazy. Okay, interesting. Learning from a young fella.
Well, the second point we have is guy apologizes way too much. Jesus.
Yo.
Guy is always got an excuse guy is always the victim. Always. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry for this. Let me tell you something. Guys know what they're doing from the get-go. From the beginning, even if a guy is drunk, you have heard those, I'm drunk and I was just... Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Everybody knows what they're doing at every single moment and every single time. So if someone apologizes for something, their intentions were known from the beginning, but the results did not come out the way they wanted to come out.
That is so true.
Now, if a guy apologizes once, if he has cheated on you, and then he apologizes, he knew that if he was going to cheat on you, he was going to do something, and then he apologizes, and then you forgive him.
Yep.
He's doing it again because you forgave him.
Yeah.
You see, a sorry boyfriend is a sorry nigga. Like,
amen. Amen.
This is true. And
so you already know, ladies, are you listening to that? You already know if he cancels on a date with you and he's all sorry, then you already know. That's another sign. That is another sign you need to watch out for.
Next point is very, very, very powerful.
Okay.
In his past relationships, you know how people talk in relationships. Yeah. He was always the victim. Guy was always the one getting played, getting cheated on,
especially the getting cheated on. Like, girls, seriously, you must know this one. She broke my heart. She played me. She cheated on me. You know what? I don't know what I did to deserve this. Yo, that is a sign. You must know. Seriously, there had to in every relationship or friendship, you must know there is something that you are doing as well. There is something that you must be doing that you yourself, you know, you need to work on. It can't always be the other person. You can't always be the victim. We always need to like check and reflect on ourselves and see, what am I doing wrong? Where am I going wrong? And then you can look at the other person, not finger pointing or blaming, because I'm telling you, if a person always makes themselves a victim in every situation, especially when you want to go in a relationship with them, run.
Imagine.
Run. My sister, run.
Why are you running?
Run.
Let me tell you something, okay? It's the same as soccer. If a team gets relegated and you look at how that team performed in the whole season, they had at least one game where they won, a game here where they won and drew. That's the same with relationships, right? There are relationships where someone did mess up, but they won't admit it because they always believe that they are the victims. Yes. So if you're with someone like that, you are going to be dating someone with what we call a victim mentality, and that is very dangerous because they are never wrong. Victims are never wrong.
Even if they do something wrong, eventually in the end you are going to be blamed. It's going to be you. It's going to be you, and that's going to be a very, very exhausting and daunting relationship to endeavor in. I know this from experience, guys. So this point I can speak for, because I know. Trust me, don't. The moment the person is like, she did this, ask him, so what did you do? As a partner, it's a 50-50. What did you do? Yes. What had you done that led her to cheat? Just get your information clear and straight before you consider dating that person.
Understand, one more point which I can add from that is understand that some people, yes, they do get cheated on, but then look at the actions they had in a relationship. It's sometimes the case where someone might, be in a rare, you know those rare,
it's a small percentage. It's a small percentage.
Those type of guys, you ask now, how did you act in the relationship? During the course of the relationship, to lead people into thinking, no, this guy is actually wrong. This guy actually, you know what? Why is he always the victim? Why is he always getting cheated on? Everybody has a reason. As we go to the first point, everybody has a reason to do certain things, and that person also, maybe they are too forgiving, but yes, those are certain situations. But if the person now is always the victim when they tell you the story, and it's like umuntu is, then the problem is with the guy also, because the people they pick also is a problem.
True. Yeah.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Our fourth point, this may seem absurd, but the choir is preaching.
Amen.
If his barber is the most important person in his life.
Chase!
If his barber is more important to him than anybody in his life. Ladies, Let me tell you something about men. Men, we love grooming ourselves. Yes, we wash our
Which they
soul.
should.
Yes.
Which they should.
But here's the problem. To cut my hair, I have to cut my hair every 2 weeks. It's a consistent thing, right?
True.
Every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks. I am not that consistent as myself. You know what? My barber stays very close to me. And I also can cut my hair sometimes. But I do not cut it every 2 weeks. Because of, let me tell you something. If a guy cuts his hair and his barber is so important to him, that means that the guy always wants to look too good. Who is he looking good for?
Woo.
As long as you are happy with how he looks, then why must the guy always be cutting? Under lockdown, you see a guy, fresh haircut, hey man. This is a problem which many people don't notice. If the guy is always at the barber shop and he always finds a need, he's always trying to look fresh for the next person. Wow. He's not looking good for you.
Actually, you know what? The most important thing, I think you ladies must catch this one. The most important person that's supposed to be in a guy's life is Jesus. If Jesus is not the center of his life, you will become null and void. That means his family, his friends, his school, his work, none of those things are important. So how are you going to be important in his life if Jesus is not the center of his life? Imagine. Telling you, if Baba is the center of his life, watch out.
Imagine.
Watch out.
You ask the guy, ne? Okay, what's Mark chapter 1 verse 4? Hey. But then if you ask him, hey, what's number 47 on the chart there by your barber shop? Yeah, it's a long fade with the break. Ah, come on. Then you already know that, nah, there's a problem. There's a problem there. And the last point may sound absurd.
Okay.
But it's all facts. Let me go closer to the camera.
Oh, okay.
If he breathes.
Yo! Woo! Woo!
Yeah, that type of breathe. Now, stay with me now. Stay with me now.
I'm with you.
Okay, has now told you that, you know what, you are his whole life. I can't live without you. You are my world. You are the air I breathe.
Woo! Have you heard that line before?
Somebody has heard that line, and I can guarantee you, Uka is lying. Come on. Listen, guys say lines. Listen, guys say lines that actually mean something to them. So if a guy comes with a generic punchline to say, you are my world, you are my sunshine, you are everything I need, I can't live, wow. Then he is about to cheat on you because he cannot even think. Look, there are compliments that suit specific ladies, but those ones are like this. It's a straight line. Whoever is standing in that line, it can shoot.
Wow.
Understand?
Wow.
Just like my sister, you see how beautiful she is, right? I can just be like, you know what? She's the copy paste of me, my sunshine, my universe, and my. And then all of a sudden you expect that to be no.
Guys,
come on.
That's deep.
Come on. You know what? At least let the guy try and say, no, you are my Mona Lisa. You know, you are my picture
You're
perfect.
my sunshine.
Let him.
Roses.
Come on. If a guy is genuine about you, he's going to give compliments about you.
Yeah.
He's going to say things that are real to you. You understand, guys are so sentimental about so many things. Like, we're very sentimental about what we do, what we say. Like, the reason why you find that guys will give women way better presents and then women just give them a spray and then guys will be like, wow, you spray. We care about the sentimental value. But then, it does get over the time. But then in the beginning, guys really care about one thing, happiness. So, if the guy wants to truly make you happy, he's going to think of words and things that really make you happy. Wow. That's why I said, if he breathes.
Sure. That one hit home, guys.
I'm not going to say, if a guy gives you compliments which are generic. No, that's too obvious. But if a guy breathes and then says, you are my world, I can't live without you. So where are the rest of us supposed to stay? Huh? So I guess that we just paying rent for free. I guess that we are just sleeping on a bed that
He promises you the world. My sister, where shall we live now?
Where will we
Where
live?
shall we live now if your man has promised you the whole world?
Do you understand that? And I hope that some of you are actually listening and taking notes, because some of these things are really true, and they are very, very, very subtle things which you'll never notice.
Sure.
So, my name is Saint Lode, Pink Lode, and your mother's favorite saint.
Guys, I'm sitting here actually taking in everything, and I'm thinking to myself, well, I wish I heard this information like years ago, before I even started dating some of these human beings that God created. Okay, but guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share it with somebody who needs to hear it, especially a young girl who needs to hear these things. Please share the video, guys. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with information. Don't, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in again, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye bye.